Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to schedule a Facebook Messenger message. To schedule a Facebook Messenger message, just open the Google Play Store and search for the app called AutoText. Once installed, tap on Open, then hit the plus button on the lower center and choose Messenger. Now we'll need to set permissions for this app to make it work for us. Tap Agree, then tap on AutoText, toggle Use AutoText, and tap Allow. Enable the auto text shortcut if you want to, then tap on Got It. Setting up the message, go back to the app and tap on the plus button again. Choose Messenger, provide a title. If you don't want to, that's fine. Tap on Send to, choose Messenger and then tap Allow. Toggle on Auto Text. Once allowed, tap the Send to icon again and then tap Messenger. Tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner, then search for a name or choose a contact from the provided list. Provide the message and the message input box field. Tap on trigger time. Here you can choose your preferred time frame to send the message automatically. For example, I choose right now. Finally, hit the check button. The app will automatically redirect you to Messenger and the message that you generated will be sent automatically by this app. As you can see, it has already been sent to my mom. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.